Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I'll show you guys how I DIY'd my journal zipper pouch. So I'm starting off with my 2020 Season's Greetings planner, and this is a really weird size. It's actually in between A5 and A6. Here I'm just showing you guys a sticky pocket thing that I made using these pockets that I bought at Muji, and that's in my second journal with me. So now I'm just flipping to my most recent page. Anyways, going back to the sizing, it is in between A5 and A6, and I know of one website that sells a size called archive size, and I will try my best to link them in the description box if I remember. And yeah, so it makes everything really weird, and I've just been making everything myself. Part of it is I'm kind of lazy to order from online and wait, so if I can, like, you know, whatever I can find conveniently, I try my best to like just put it in there. So I'm just going to take some washi tape and stick my pouch onto the page that I already made myself. And this page is just a postcard that I cut down to size and I punched the holes, and essentially you just need to know where the holes go. So once you have everything down, then you're just going to take your hole punch and start punching it out. And I normally use like a marker to mark the holes and like remove the stencil and then go punch, but the pouch is so thick and like the paper is so thin, it worked anyways. Like I wouldn't accidentally punch more holes into the first page. And also the pouch, it's very slippery, and that's another reason why we tape it down. Since it's so slippery, like ink will not stay, so it's best to just do like this. And essentially you're just going to take the like circles out so that you actually have holes to like insert it into the binder. And this is like the most difficult part of this whole video. You're really gonna see me struggling. Essentially I'm gonna like try my best to like re-hole punch it so that maybe the whole hole goes through, but it never does, and like only half of it will kind of punch or cut. And yeah, so I'm going to use my craft blade here. If it's your first time using a craft blade to cut something intricate, or like that's just not a straight line, then I would not recommend, because you could accidentally cut yourself. It's kind of dangerous, yeah, so maybe skip this. But I have another method later. Basically you're just going to try to keep hole punching until you like get as much of the plastic cut as possible, and then just use your scissors to cut off the rest, which is actually very simple. So there's that. Yeah, but I mean, I don't know, to be honest. I was thinking about what I should do about this pouch, and I still don't know if this is like a very smart method. I still feel like it's kind of dumb, but I couldn't really think of any other method to like put it into my binder slash planner. And it just kind of worked. I mean, I'm not really sure, but like it definitely goes in the binder. But I feel like the zipper pouches that you can buy already made just are different. I think it's because like the holes are on a separate part and then the pouch is smaller. But yeah, I just worked with what I had, and I'll show you guys how I like use the pouch, which is just to display things. So maybe that's a little different, because like an actual pouch you could probably put like smaller things and it obviously won't leak. You could put like glitter in there and it won't leak. This is like gonna leak, right? So now that I got all the plastic off, I'm just going to peel the tape off of my postcard as well, and now I'm going to try to reinsert this back into my binder. The last thing you want is for the plastic pouch to not fit, because we just spent so much time cutting it out. But it does, and then the zipper just kind of hangs off on the side, which is perfect because then it won't like add bulk to the rest of the pages. And now I'm just going to take a few items and start decorating this pouch. And I feel like I'm using it more as like a display thing, but you can still use it to store like bigger items. As long as they're not like smaller than the holes, then they won't fall out. So here I'm just inserting a postcard that I got at a Tajin cafe event. This is just gin fishing, and it was just what caught my mind, my attention because of the bright yellow, and I kind of wanted that in my planner at that moment. So I'm just taking some of the stickers from the Love Yourself Answer album and just sticking it on. And I'm literally one of those like super stingy collectors that I don't like using anything that comes in the albums or like any official goods, but like lately I've been doing that for my planner, and I don't know, it was just kind of a very spontaneous decision here, but I kind of like how it turned out, and I kind of want to leave it as is, and I might make a pouch for every number now that I think about it, but that could also be very dumb. I don't know, I'm not really sure. I'll probably still like purchase the pouch like how it's supposed to be made, but like I kind of like how it is right now. And I'm just taking some like stickers I bought myself. These are like Wizard of Oz themed, and I don't know, they just had like these little sparkles that I wanted in my planner at the moment, so that's what we went with. I think I like put a bird, or I put 2 birds maybe, I don't know, I thought they were cute. Oh, I put a flower in the bottom right corner. I just want to make sure everything is like stuck down. I stuck it to the pouch, you could stuck it on the inside, that's up to you. And now I'm just like going through some photo cards that I have in this binder. Those are actually the photo cards I need to trade, so if you saw anything you need, let me know. But I just took one of my gins out because I know I have a double of him, and I'm just going to stick him in the pouch. I just thought that like the oversaturation of the image on the photo card really matched like the yellow and just like the bright fun elements of this pouch, so that's what we went with, and that's basically it. So here's the back, and that is our journal zipper pouch complete. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye everyone!